In his 20s, put both your hands right here, and this will help the energy from the source to descend the body. That's great.
Need a chair? Anybody else need a chair?
And sometimes Bill's kneecaps are really full, so this is showing that he has full ones. Remember, from first depth, second depth, third depth, fourth depth. These are quite full. So if I went horizontal here, he's full from his kneecap, and he's got this fluff all the way up to here.
So full means that you need to do things to help release whatever's there.
Yeah, and he could simply on himself for self-help, he could hold, you know, both of these areas, or he could hold his high 19 and his opposite high 1 right here. See this, Bill? You could really use this one.
So you can, when you say it's full from the regular one up, you're meaning that the string is kind of tight from there?
Well, it's not only this, it's tight in the ligament, the muscle, but also there is a fluffy texture over the top that you can tell just isn't the...
It's like a covering.
Yes, it's like a covering. It's not like the flesh itself, but it's kind of a fluffy texture. And this is what we're going to start to see, that each of the depths have a texture to them.
And because everything goes through the ones, all the depths go through the ones, you want to make sure that
they're so important. In fact, ones are so important. It's the meaning of life and death. That's how important the ones are.